Alright, thank you very much. Welcome to another episode of my video. Today I want to talk about relationship. For those of you that are on distant relationship, you've got a person not from your country but distant relationship, and you are not so sure if that person loves you. Today I'll be bringing out some few principles, few guidelines that will be able to make you to figure out if there is love, or there is knowledge of love in the relationship. Now listen very carefully. This is just very true. Every single man giving birth at some particular age in his or her life starts to nurture a feeling of the kind of woman he or she he needs, even ladies. So a man starts to figure out the kind of person, short, tall, fair, white, this, from social country. Now sometimes if you as a person is not a match to what he feels as a principle of the kind of person he needs, the relationship may not work so well, except there is something else that is involved. Because there is a kind of extraordinary love he feels that will attract him. Now, listen carefully. One of what you need to understand in a relationship is this: if you've got a guy outside a long distance relationship and there is no time, please, time, write this down. Time is necessary. You both need enough time to make this work out. What are the plans on visits? Are you making any plans on visits? When it comes to relationships, some people don't understand. You're dating somebody from another country, another place, another state, and there is no plan for visit. And if there is plan, be very sure the finance, the fund is available. Because when that person wants to visit you and there is no proper fund, this is another issue. Now, again, another issue that has to do with the issue of video call. Some people, when you tell them, I want to do a video call with you, they reject most at times. And this is frequent, this is regular. This may be a green light for you to know that it is something fishing. The respect is necessary. If this person is not giving you proper respect, there is a problem. Nobody marries to disrespect the other person. So this, like vice versa, there should be proper respect. The man, is he capable of giving you good advice? Is this the person that gives you proper good advice? If not, please think properly. Now, another thing again is this: does he keep too much secrets? Is he the open type? Now, if you are with a person that is so open, tells you all his secret, this may be also a sign of closeness or knowledge of the relationship, which is necessary. Now, do you tell him one or two things to do? Have you ever spoken with him before? You tell him, do this for me, he willingly agrees? Or when it comes to, happiness, does he have the capacity to make you happy most at times when you need happiness? Do you feel a kind of this claims happiness when you are with him? Do you think he feels the same? Now, there are people that when they're in a relationship, family members don't know you. As a lady, you struggle to make sure the friends, the families knows you, all to no avail. If this person, the man, the fiancé, your friend, is not showing you to families, friends, there is an issue. I guarantee you, there is definitely an issue. Now, some other thing we need to look at has to do with the issue of judgmentizing. Is this too judgmental? He concludes so easily. There are people that conclude too fast. This is definitely a 100% issue. Are you gonna say now? Now, what are the plans you both hold for the future? If there are no plans, do you both discuss plans on your future? Plans to be together? Plans to know each other? Plans to meet each other? These are plans. Again, how far do you people settle your differences? The differences sometimes you don't settle, and all of all this, please, I want you to be very, very careful when you are in a long distance relationship. Again, apart from this, again, we'll be looking at he Is it part of your daily life? If it's not part of your daily life, please be careful. You need to be part of your daily life, at least daily or once in 2 days. You should have been able to meet with this person. But if this is not there, there is an issue. Again, we'll be looking at some few issues that you need to know as a lady. Now, the relationship you are in. Are you 100% certain of what you have with this person? Do you have doubt in mind sometimes? Are you really 100% certain that this person is ready? This is it. Then I do tell people, in a relationship, don't settle too much on the love. Instead, settle too much on the friendship you've got for each other. The friendship will prepare the love. If there is no proper friendship in your relationship, you've discovered there is no atom of friendship. Every relationship, every marriage with too much love, without knowledge of friendship, is a soup. There is a great danger, because as time goes on, because there is no friendship, the love dies down. That is why you discover that two couples, two friends, so much love themselves, but as time goes on, they start to seek for divorce. Why? There was something greater than love that breaks that relationship. And what is it? The knowledge of not knowing more about the marriage or the relationship. Thank you very much. I want to advise you, please. My video is coming up again titled Knowing Real Love. Please, I want you to keep in touch. Click on the subscribe button so as to follow a whole lot of my videos. I want to do videos on health, things you need to take to balance your head to solve that problem immediately. How to use your mindset, the mind, to solve problems. How to solve mental issues, stress, depression, anxiety, panic attack, relationship, marriages. I will be doing a whole lot of videos on this. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day. Thank you very much for subscribing.